Hi, I'm Dena. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist, developmental psychologist, and trauma-informed body positive life coach. I help people who've lost a lot of weight, especially after bariatric surgery or GLP-1 meds, actually keep it off by rebuilding trust with their bodies, their habits, and themselves. You lost the weight, but no one told you how hard it would still feel. You're overwhelmed, scared of getting it back, maybe even binging again and asking yourself, why don't I feel fixed? If that's you, I want you to know you are not broken and you are not alone. Let's talk about what no one tells you after weight loss surgery or GLP-1 meds like Ozempic. Because here's the truth, losing the weight is one transformation. Living in your new body is a whole other journey. The scale dropped, but you still feel unworthy, anxious around food, or like you're pretending. That's because weight loss doesn't erase the mental weight we've carried for years. Body image, trauma, binge patterns, those don't magically go away, and you're not crazy for feeling that way. After surgery or meds, your appetite changes, but the emotional attachment to food is still there. You might be scared of eating too much or swinging back to old habits, and no one really teaches you how to eat from a place of self-trust instead of restriction or obsession. If this sounds like you and your story, I made something just for you. It is called the What Now Journal for Post-Weight Loss Success. It's a free 5-day journal I created to help you, number one, reflect on who you are now, number two, reconnect with your goals, and number three, reset your mindset from punishment to partnership with your body, because healing isn't about being perfect. It's about feeling safe in your skin again. This journal is free. Just click the link below and download it. Thousands of people are told how to lose weight. Almost no one is taught how to live after they do. This is your first step to building that sustainable version of success you actually want and deserve. So if you're ready to start trusting your body again and finding peace, this is the next chapter. Grab your copy below. You've already done the hard thing. Now let's make sure you feel supported as you stay free. Subscribe if you want more support like this, and I'll see you in the next video. You've got this, and I am here with you.